So I recolor coded the wires going to the switch box. So when I do fully remove these carburetors and build them, those wires aren't going to get switched around. Yeah, these carbs are not fun. So I gotta pull the top off, the cap to the fuel filter. You gotta pull that off, and then after you flip that switch box down and taking the choke gates out, then you can undo the nuts that are on the studs on the engine block, and then actually give them a good cleaning. But I replaced the rotted out fuel line and then went with it, so we're good. This is what the other side looks like. I just used my wife's crafts paint because, yeah, I just used whatever wire we had on hand, which may or may not be color matched. So, but they're color matched now.